Begin by removing the 2 tunnel braces to lower the exhaust and gain access to the driveshaft. Unplug the 2 exhaust flap actuators if equipped. Next to those actuators, unbolt the 2 exhaust hangers from the body of the car. Push up on the exhaust to pull them off. Some models will only come with 1 muffler, so will require removing only 1 hanger instead of 2. Unbolt the 2 hangers at the rear mufflers. Lower the back half of the exhaust down. Next, remove the heat shield separating the exhaust from the driveshaft. Slide it towards the back of the car and rotate it around until it slides out. You will now have access to the driveshaft carrier. Make a cut on the driver's side leg of the carrier. Unbolt both sides and flip it around. Then make a cut on both sides of the carrier. Using a razor blade, cut the rubber all the way around to remove the frame from the bearing. Then cut vertically inwards to remove the excess rubber hanging off the back of the bearing until it's flush with the base layer of rubber. Keep the base layer of rubber intact. Now you can install the new carrier. Start with the top half, with the bushing in it, with the text facing the front of the vehicle, and slide it over the top of the bearing. Then bring the bottom half up to meet it and connect the 2 together using the provided Allen bolts. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the 2 bushings. This is normal. To mount it to the car, take your bolt with a fender washer on it and isolation damper facing up, go up into the carrier, bring another isolation damper down from the top, and your small washer on the very top. Thread it into the body. Same thing on the other side. Bolt, fender washer, isolation damper, up through the carrier, another isolation damper, and your small washer. Secure both sides of the carrier to the car. Then reinstall your heat shield, exhaust, and tunnel braces, and your installation is complete.